So more pain ahead when it comes to the oil patch as well, where, 3 months of losses, the longest losing streak in 2 years.
A lot of bearish sentiment out there. And if we drop right into Bloomberg, you can see that the China economic slowdown, the Fed rate hikes, all of that weighing heavily on price. You also have traders focused on unrest in Iraq and Libya, and that's ahead of the OPEC Plus meeting, which is the first meeting in a while where there's now an expectation they may reduce output targets. In fact, in a meeting ahead of OPEC's big decision, a panel decided to tighten their oil market outlook for this year and next. They actually slashed forecasts for this year's supply surplus in half, and then they flipped projections for next year. Again, let's take a look at how oil prices are trading, because there's been a lot of red on the screen, particularly in New York and London trading. You can see now that we're getting into Asia trading, West Texas Intermediate continuing to fall. And bigger picture, they've really come down from the peaks they were at after Russia invaded Ukraine. The Joint Technical Committee of OPEC Plus now sees a supply deficit for 2023. That's a huge change from the previous projections just months ago. And they're endorsing this Saudi pledge to reduce extreme volatility. If you recall, the Saudi energy minister came out just weeks ago and said they want to address extreme volatility by taking more oil off the market, which is the opposite of what the Biden administration had been pushing for most of 2022.